Hello everyone, it's Liza Jean and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a one palette look featuring the Smoke Show palette by ColourPop. So if you'd like to know how to get this monochrome black, gray, white, gothic eye look, then just keep on watching. So, first things first, I already have my base and my brows done. At some point, I'll do a video on how I do those, although it's pretty much the same way everybody does their base and their brows. So, for this one palette look, we are going to be using the Smoke Show palette by ColourPop, although I think it has since been renamed Blowing Smoke. And we're going to start with a primer. I use Urban Decay. This is the primer potion in Eden. And I'm just going to apply that all over my lid, up kind of to the brow bone, and then I'm going to just take a finger and pat that out. Alright, so now that we have primer on, I'm going to actually set it with the white in this palette, which is Young Love up here in corner. There we go, I'm going to set it with that because I want white to just be all over the lid up to the brow bone. So I'm going to grab a little shader brush. This one is by e.l.f. I think most of my brushes are, and it's just a basic flat shader brush. And I'm gonna go into Young Love, tap off the excess. I'm gonna set that primer. Hi, kitty. Familiar wants to say hi. He and Void have been banished from my room while I film. Do you want to say hi? Do you want to say hi? 1 second. Let me go get Familiar. He's gonna regret this, but... So this is Familiar, my handsome orange boy. I love him, and he's the whiny one. Do you not want to be here? This is not what you wanted. You're getting attention. He's a baby. You had enough attention. Are you confused? Is that your reflection? Okay, you're done? Okay, I'm gonna kick you out now. No more whining. So now we look kind of like a clown. I'm gonna focus on this eye. And I'm gonna start with a fluffy blending brush. Again, this is by e.l.f. And I'm going to go into the shade Ignite. This one. Tap that off. And then I'm just gonna go right into my crease and a little bit above. And just kind of start stamping that in. And I'm going to take it straight across and then down into my crease. And just start blending that out. And I'm going to really smoke it out, really blow it out, because this is kind of our transition shade. Now I'm going to go into this darker gray, this more cool tone, blue tone gray, slated, with the same brush. And just focus that more in the crease. Now, I'm going to go in with a Sonia Kashuk Petite Smudge brush. I actually really like this, and I'm going to go into the matte black Let's Do It. And I'm going to be really precise, she says as she stabs the wrong part of her eye. Really precise. And just lay that in the crease and kind of wing it out, make a little V, because I just want this part to be darker. I'm going to blend this now so I don't look like a hot mess. Take a little bit of Slated and a little bit of Ignite, And just start gently smoking that black. I want to go back in with my flat shader brush that I used for the white shade. I'm going to really pack it on there and go back over the lid. I'm going to go off camera, do the other eye, and then we will be back to finish off with liner and mascara and the rest of the face. Okay, so eyes are done for now. I'm going to move on to the face, and I'm going to do a little bit of contour, not a ton. Familiar. Familiar. This isn't going to be a super extreme look compared to what's going to go on the rest of my channel anyway. This is warmer than what people usually use for contour. But I don't care. And I also don't have anything else. Still building up that makeup collection. And to think, I'm putting all of this on just to go to Costco later. I should print some business cards so when people are like, wow, you look really weird, I can be like, thanks! It's my job! Now I'm gonna do some highlights. And I'm gonna go into the BH Cosmetics Blacklight Highlight Palette. I'm gonna use the shade Strobe, which is the silver one on the bottom. I'm just gonna take my finger. I'm not gonna put on any blush because I don't really like it. Now I'm going to, what was I gonna do? Totally forgot. I'm gonna go back into the Smoke Show palette and then very carefully trace that along my lower lash line. But I'm not gonna close my eye off because I don't want to make my eyes look smaller or closer together than they already are. So I'm gonna leave a little space. And then I'm gonna take my fluffy brush that just has whatever product is left and smoke it out. Time for liner, where I can mess it all up. So I'm using the e.l.f. liquid liner. I use a lot of e.l.f. products. Again, they're very affordable. I'm gonna just not do a super dramatic wing, she says. I'm gonna focus. Mascara! e.l.f. Again, nobody's surprised. This is the Length and Volume Mascara, but I actually really like this. I'm not a falsy person, but I really like what this does to my lashes. Lips. Again, another part where I could totally mess everything up because despite being someone who does a lot of digital art, apparently I still can't color on the lines. This is not an e.l.f. product, it's ColourPop. It's their matte liquid lipstick in the shade Friday, and it is my go-to, especially for gigs, because their matte formula does not budge. Alright guys, and that is our finished one palette monochrome look featuring the Smoke Show palette by ColourPop. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and drop me a comment down below with other videos you'd like to see me do. If you're new, make sure you click subscribe to become a screamer today and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. And I will see you next time. Bye!